Welcome back to this channel, and today we're walking you through how to fix 5 fast fixes for Xfinity app not working on Roku in 2025. The first step you need to take is restart Roku and the router. To do this, go to settings, tap on system, tap on power, and then select restart. So for the router itself, unplug for 30 seconds, then reconnect. Why? This helps you reset network connection and clear temporary glitches. Next troubleshooting fix we have is updating the Xfinity app. To do this, open Roku Home, select highlight Xfinity app, and then press the star button and check for updates. If there's no update, manually update Roku operating system by tapping on settings, tapping on system, and then selecting systems updates. Next, note that Roku operating system 12.5 Plus requires app version 5.3.2 Plus for compatibility. Next fix is to check internet connection. Run a speed test using fast.com or Ookla speed test. Minimum speed for SD should be 3 megabytes per second. For HD should be 25 megabytes per second. And for 4K should be 50 megabytes per second. If it is slow, reboot the modem or contact Xfinity for a free X5 pod. It's called the Wi-Fi extender. Next step fix is to reinstall the Xfinity app. You can just remove it by going to Home, then selecting highlighting the app and pressing the star button, then removing the channel. I call it the star button, but actually asterisk. The other names for it anyway. Next, you have to reinstall by searching for Xfinity Stream in Roku Channel Store. Once you've done that, you just reinstall it. So you can log in fresh. Don't use saved credentials to avoid cache issues. Step 5 is factory reset, which should be the last resort. You can factory reset Roku by tapping on settings, tapping on system, selecting advanced system settings, and selecting factory reset. Do not forget to back up first or you'll lose all installed channels and settings. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section which of these fixes work for you. See you in the next one.